From medieval sword-swinging to orbital trailblazing, this date delivers 24-karat wow moments. Happy June 16, history hunters. We've mined 20 stories so weird, wonderful, and brain-bending, they'll turbocharge your trivia game and leave dinner guests gaping. Ready for princes who vanish, speeches that split nations, and a Soviet space sister who said, "Let's go"? Hit subscribe, buckle your metaphorical seatbelt, and join our warp speed tour through centuries of headline-making shenanigans. It's number 20. On 16 June 1487, Yorkist hopes died at the Battle of Stoke Field when Henry VII's cannon and billmen smashed pretender Lambert Simnel's army, ending the Wars of the Roses with one last bloody flourish. Number 19. On 16 June 1779, Spain formally declared war on Britain, allying with France and the American rebels. Spanish fleets soon hammered Gibraltar and Florida, turning the revolution into a truly global slugfest. Number 18. On 16 June 1815, the Battle of Quatre Bras saw Wellington hold off Marshal Ney, buying precious hours before Waterloo. Exhausted redcoats and Highlanders stubbornly blocked French charges amid Belgian wheat fields. Number 17. On 16 June 1858, Abraham Lincoln told Illinois Republicans, "A house divided against itself cannot stand," predicting the Union's coming showdown over slavery and catapulting a lanky prairie lawyer onto the national stage. Number 16. On 16 June 1871, Britain's University Tests Act received royal assent, finally letting Catholics, Jews, and non-Anglicans earn Oxford, Cambridge, and Durham degrees without swearing Church of England oaths. Number 15. On 16 June 1884, Coney Island's Switchback Railway, the first U.S. roller coaster, whisked thrill-seekers down gentle hills at 6-inch. Screams echoed, popcorn flew, and the age of adrenaline entertainment was born. Number 14. On 16 June 1897, President McKinley sent the Hawaiian Annexation Treaty to the U.S. Senate. Though stalled by filibusters, it foreshadowed Hawaii's 1898 takeover and future pineapple-powered statehood. Number 13. On 16 June 1903, Henry Ford and 11 investors incorporated the Ford Motor Company with $28,000. Within a decade, Model Ts rolled out like cookies, steering humanity toward traffic jams worldwide. Number 12. On 16 June 1904, James Joyce set Ulysses' entire plot in Dublin, birthing Bloomsday. Fans now roam pubs reenacting Leopold Bloom's Odyssey, toasting literature with pints and perplexed tourists in tow. Number 11. On 16 June 1940, aging hero Philippe Pétain became French Prime Minister, requesting an armistice with Hitler. His Vichy regime soon collaborated, splitting France between resistance, ration cards, and moral anguish. Number 10. On 16 June 1944, 14-year-old George Stinney was executed in South Carolina, the youngest American put to death in the 20th century. His 2014 exoneration spotlighted historic racial injustice in U.S. courts. Number 9. On 16 June 1955, Disney's Lady and the Tramp premiered in Chicago, charming audiences with spaghetti-slurping canines and groundbreaking CinemaScope animation that widened screens and tear ducts everywhere. Number 8. On 16 June 1963, Valentina Tereshkova blasted off aboard Vostok 6, shouting, "Let's go," to become the planet's first woman in space, after knitting the night before launch for good luck. Number 7. On 16 June 1967, Monterey Pop Festival opened, unleashing Jimi Hendrix's flaming guitar, Janis Joplin's volcanic vocals, and the Summer of Love's psychedelic soundtrack upon 50,000 blissed-out Californians. Number 6. On 16 June 1976, South African students marched against compulsory Afrikaans lessons. Police gunfire in Soweto sparked nationwide uprisings. Images of Hector Peterson's shooting jolted the world and bruised apartheid's legitimacy. Number 5. On 16 June 1977, Software Development Laboratories, later renamed Oracle, was incorporated. Its database wizardry soon powered banks, airlines, and that one ant's catastrophically large Excel file. Number 4. On 16 June 1999, South Africa's parliament elected Thabo Mbeki president, handing post-apartheid stewardship from Mandela to a policy wonk promising African Renaissance, alongside controversial AIDS positions still fiercely debated. Number 3. On 16 June 2012, China's Shenzhou 9 launched Liu Yang, the nation's first woman astronaut to dock with Tiangong-1. Her tea-pouring zero-G demo delighted Earthlings while cementing Beijing's orbital ambitions. Number 2. On 16 June 2013, moderate cleric Hassan Rouhani won Iran's presidency, pledging engagement in nuclear diplomacy. Street celebrations erupted, smartphones flashed victory selfies, and hardliners eyed the ballot boxes warily. Number 1. On 16 June 2021, U.S. President Joe Biden and Russian President Vladimir Putin met in Geneva, trading icy glares and cautious sound bites about cyber warfare, nukes, and strangely gifted crystal statues. And that wraps June 16. Feeling enlightened, enraged, or just existentially dazzled? Hit subscribe and share the wonder. Tomorrow's date whispers of daring escapes, comedic fiascos, and a surprise cameo from an inventor you thought you knew. Keep your curiosity engines humming. Our next stop on the History Highway promises twists, turns, and jaw-droppers you'll want front row seats for. See you in another 24 hours of time travel mayhem.